Continuing the inspirational stories inspired by the five elements, and today's story is inspired from water. So there was Onami, a great wrestler from the Nanji era in Japan. Onami was a wrestler, such a wonderful wrestler that he defeated even his master in his training sessions. But when it came to the public bouts, even the smallest of the pupil could defeat him. He had some kind of fear in his mind when he entered the public place. Just like you and me have different types of fears, Onami was very fearful when it came to public bouts. There was a master, a Zen master who was traveling from his village. So Onami decided to visit his master, and he just visited his master in a temple during the evening times. The Zen master, looking at the wrestler, asked him his name. Onami is my name, he narrated. The Zen master said, the meaning of Onami was great waves. So the master told him to meditate for the complete night and think about only waves. He told Onami to consider himself being the waves himself and just meditate throughout the night. And as was told, Onami started meditating. Initially, he had different kinds of thoughts in his mind. Just like a common person, just like you and me have different kinds of thoughts when we just close our minds, close our eyes. And so was Onami. But slowly after a while, Onami could focus. He started considering himself as the waves. And like the waves itself, he considered him to be very powerful. He swept away everything that came in his way. He swept the ocean, he swept the forest, he swept all his opponents, and throughout the night considered the ebb and flow that happened about the river. He considered himself to be one with the waves. And as morning dawned, there was a faint smile on the face of Onami. The Zen master came and saw him in the morning, still meditating, and there was a faint smile on Onami's face. He patted Onami, and Onami opened his eyes. And the Zen master told him that he is almost done with the right path. And he told him just to go and fight fearlessly, just like the waves, and see what happens. That morning, Onami went and entered a bout, and he defeated his biggest opponent. And since that day onwards, no one in Japan could ever defeat Onami. He became the strongest wrestler Japan had ever seen. So in life, in your life, just like Onami conquered his fears, if you want to conquer your fears, you have to get into the act of meditation. And what a way to meditate, thinking about the ocean itself. As I'm narrating this story, probably I don't have the strength of Onami right now, but believe in me, I'm in the process. One day, even I will attain the strength of Onami. And getting inspired from water itself, it's a process. This is what life is all about. So dear friends, try to practice the waves, the theory of waves that was narrated to Onami about hundreds of years back, and see what difference it can make to your life, and in turn, try to be a great person who can be supportive to a larger cause than yourself in a positive way. This is Harshad, founder of Digital Fitness Hub. Thank you.